Thoughts and message of our respected head, Dr. Arun Kumar sir. A good leader not only guides an institution but also inspires the people around him. With great pleasure, I invite our scientist DN head to deliver the Independence Day address.
A warm, happy Independence Day to all of you. It is a great pleasure to address you on this occasion at Central Silk Board SSBS Kunuru. And Independence Day reminds us the so many sacrifice of our freedom fighters and more importantly of our responsibility to contribute to the progress and development of our nation. India has a proud and rich tradition of silk production. We are into the silk industry. Today, our aim should be not only to remain a major silk producing country. We are number 2 in the world. Now we are thriving to become a number 1 in the world, to become a global leader for the silk production. And also, we have to make India as a global leader in silk through innovation, quality, technology and sustainable production. Our SSBS Kunur has an important role in this journey. Our station has a long history of silkworm breeding, conservation of valuable germplasm, mulberry evaluation, field-oriented research, and it is started during British time 1908. Our continued effort in conserving and utilizing superior silkworm genetic resources will help in developing productive, healthy and climate resilient silkworm breeds for farmers' benefit. We are also strengthening our work in mulberry cultivation and also disease management and also in improved plantation materials and sustainable crop production. These activities may be carried out at this station level, but they ultimately contribute to improving productivity and livelihood of our lovely farmers. Looking ahead, our focus will be to develop CSB, SSBS, Kunur, a stronger research, demonstration and technology transfer center. With a greater collaboration with CSB institutions, universities and other research organizations, and also our Department of Sericulture and for the benefit of our lovely farmers. We will continue to encourage students' visits, farmers' interaction and also awareness programs so that importance of the sericulture can be disseminated to the many people. And also this station we wanted to make it as a Seri tourism center in the coming days. I would also like to sincerely appreciate the cooperation of our staff and quarters residents and also local people. The development of CSB, Central Silk Board SSBS, is a collective responsibility. It is in maintaining cleanliness and protecting our gardens, trees and conserving water, safeguarding station property and supporting our activities will greatly help us in developing this historic station. Let us work together to make this Central Silk Board SSBS Kunur a center of innovation, scientific excellence and service to the silk sector. On this Independence Day, let us renew our commitment to our work, our institution and our nation and contribute towards making India as a global leader in silk production. I thank all of you for your patience listening and your presence and continued support for celebration of national festival, that is 80th Independence Day celebration. I thank one and all. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.